Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will see about the transition, how we can do that to multi-step. So here we will see about the multi-step transition. So for this one, I am taking an example like what I can say is, so the same example here in our animation only. And let's go to our animation.component.html. Here I will draw one HR. Let's say that we are having an input tag. Input type is equal to number. So this is our input type, and here we'll be having a div, and here I will be having a span. I will loop over the span ng for I of I of, it is an array of 0 to 9. Let's say 0 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9, and I will display this I. That's it. So this is our simple thing. If you see the output for this one, yeah, we are able to see was 0 1 2 3 4 5, and here, so okay, fine. So now we are displaying this one. Let's add something like class is equal to my-3. Now let's try to have a scenario in such a way that if I select any number here, this number should be highlighted. It should be have some border or red color or blue color, anything we need to have it. First, let's try to do it. Let's try to have a states for this one. So let's go to the animation.component.ts file, and here what I can do is, so for this one, what I will try to do is, where is this one gone? Yeah, here this is the trigger, right? So in this trigger, I am taking another trigger of number state. Let's say that I am taking a number state. So whatever the name you want, you can take it. So number state. Here you will be having the states here. So first one is the state. So first one is an unselected state. So when the number is not selected, I need to apply the style. So what type of style I need to apply? Like something like let's say border 1 pixel black, and I will apply padding of 5 pixel, and I will apply background color of not background color, I will leave it like this only, background color. There is no background color. So this is the thing which should be unselected. But when it is selected, so state, when it is selected, okay, I need to apply a style again. Style border 2 pixel blue color and a padding of 4 pixel, and a background color will apply. Okay, background color also I want to apply light blue. So this is the thing which I want to apply. So when it is unselected, when it is selected here. So now let's take the value of this one. So here what I can say is anything, if anything is input is selected, okay, input is equal to on number selected. So you will be getting the dollar event. So I'm taking the dollar event. Let's go to the TS file, and here I can have a variable selected number. Okay, it is of type number, so by default it will be 0. We'll keep it like this, and let's go here. We have a on number selected, and you will get the event which is of type event, and here we need to write something like this dot selected number is equal to HTML input element event dot target dot value. So this is the value which I want to do it. Selected number, I think the spelling mistake, selected number. Now we got the output. I got the selected number. Now in the animation.component.html, what I want to write it here. So we have a trigger state that is nothing but number state. So when this number state is selected, then what I need to do, if selected number is equal to I is there, means then it should be selected state. The selected state will be selected, or otherwise it is unselected. That is the type of thing which I want to do it. So the state which is, if the selected number is there, means then it should be selected, or otherwise it should be unselected. Now if you go here, we are able to see it. Now I will select the 3. So immediately we are able to get a border, and if I try to remove this one, and we are able to get the border like this, but these are not getting animated. We need to get it animated. How I can do this one? Let's go to the animation.component.ts file. Here we are having this trigger state, right? So in this trigger state, I will write the transition. transition. So for which transition I want, right? For unselected, if unselected to selected, so I'm taking only selected, unselected to selected is there, I need to animate. Okay, I need to animate something like 300 seconds or something like this. So this is the animation which I have selected it. Now if you see the output for this one, see, slowly animation we are able to get it. If I remove this one, immediately the color will go away. And if I try to apply here, so we are able to get this one, right? But there is a little bit of jerking effect is there. So why this jerking effect is coming is, so here what I have did is, when unselected to selected is going, the border I have increased it to 2 pixel and the padding I have decreased to 4 pixels, so that the jerking should not be there. But here the jerking is happening. Why? Because it is when it is going to the unselected to selected, so this border, padding and background color, these three items are trying to animate it. So it is trying to animate it. So that is the reason, if you try to see the border, when we are trying to select it, slowly if I select the 4 element, see, slowly the border, padding and everything is trying to get animated. So for me only the color should be animated, whereas the border and also the what I can say, the padding should not be animated. So for that one, what I can do is, so here we can take it as an array. Okay, see this one animation thing, we can take it as an array, and here I can apply a style. Okay, so we can also use the style. So in this style, what I will do is, I will apply a border of 2 pixel black, and whereas the blue color will animate, and here I will apply a padding of 4 pixels. So these two things automatically I will apply it. Now when it is trying to apply, these styles will be applied directly. Temporarily these styles will be applied directly without animation. Then what are the things available here? The border color and remaining background color. Slowly it will be animated. If you try to see the output, so now here if I press 4, see, you will be able, you will not able to see any jerking effect. Previously we are able to see a jerking effect, right? So now we are not able to see any jerking effect. Why? Because the padding and the border has been applied directly. Now the border color and the background color is applying, slowly it is applying. So this is how, if you want to apply only particular styles, animation only means, so we will be doing it like this. So this is one thing which I want to explain you. So this is also one of the important thing which I want to explain you. So for example, if you write the style at the bottom, what will happen? So then the weird things happens here. So now if you try to see, the animation will not be present. So now here, so that is not the final stage, right? So the animation will not be present. So if you try to see here, see, it is trying to happen something else. So this is how we will be having. So now we need to make sure that the animation will be at the final state. So this is about the thing. If you want to have a particular animation, particular styles only to be animated, means we will be doing it like this. So what I will try to do is, I will commit this all the code in a separate branch, create a new branch, video-28. Okay, so here multi-step transition. So this is a multi-step transition. I will commit this code. So I will publish this branch. Whoever may be having a doubts and all those things, so they can go to my GitHub repository URL. So the GitHub repository URL is provided here. What I can say is the GitHub Angular animations. So whoever wants to refer this one, so they can refer to this code. Okay, so whatever the video they are trying to watch it, so they can go to the particular video for the reference of this code. Hope you understood about this multi-step transition. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.